let's make a homemade berry cream cheese. As always, this recipe is vegan, and we're going to start by adding 2 cups of soaked cashews that have been drained to a high-speed blender, in addition to 1 14-ounce block of firm tofu that has been drained from the liquid inside of the package. Crumble it all up and add 1 to 1.5 cups of your favorite jam of choice. This was a mixed berry jam I had made and was in my fridge. Add a heaping tablespoon of white miso paste in addition to 2 tablespoons of either lime or lemon juice. Lemon is preferable, but all I had were limes and it still worked really well. You will blend this mixture for about 5 minutes. You want to start at a low speed as the cashews get mixed and incorporated with the tofu. Make sure to use your plunger as this will make everything so much easier, and eventually after 4.5 to 5 minutes it'll be really nice, silky and smooth. If you want to add a little bit more jam you can, but just know this will make the mixture a little runny. Once the first blend is over, it will be runny. You want it to set in the fridge overnight, and it's a beautiful complement to the classic bagels and cream cheese. I used to have, growing up, those Einstein bagels with my dad on every single Sunday. We would go to the bagel shop and I'd get strawberry cream cheese and my cinnamon raisin bagel, and he would get assorted bagels for the family. I would add loads of cream cheese to the bagel, and it was super nostalgic for me to recreate this recipe and enjoy it at home. You can add as much cream cheese as you want because this is virtually very minimal fat and basically no saturated fat. I like to add a little bit of fruit on top. You can add more sweetener to your cream cheese if you like, but I like it just as is. Full recipe in the description, and as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel for recipes every single Friday and daily shorts. Saludos, besos, bendiciones, abrazos. Have a great one. See you next time.